Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, JOT Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program DETCS, first trimester, session soap and detergent. Now we discuss soap and detergent and difference between soap and detergents. All the important difference and between the soap and detergent are explained in the are explained in this. Soap are the potassium and sodium salt of longer chain fatty acids, and detergent are generally alkyl benzene and sulfonates. Uh, Next are what are the soap and detergent. सोप ये पोटेशियम एंड और सोडियम साल्ट. स्टूडेंट अपन पढ़ रहे हैं सोप क्या होता है. सोप ये पोटेशियम और सोडियम साल्ट्स ऑफ ए कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड हैविंग ए लॉन्ग अल्फाबेटिकली चेन अटैच्ड टू इट. So they are surfactants compounds that reduce to the surface tension between the liquid and another substance, and therefore the help is the emulsifications of oils in waters. Students, सोप एक पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम का साल्ट होता है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड लॉन्ग अल्फ़ाबेटिक चेन भी अटैच होती है. So soap are the generally prepared via the saponifications of fats and oils. So the carboxylate end of a soap molecule is hydrophilic, whereas the hydrocarbon tails is hydrophobic. Next, डिटर्जेंट्स आर द पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम साल्ट. स्टूडेंट डिटर्जेंट क्या होता है. पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम साल्ट होता है एंड ऑफ ए लॉन्ग एल्काइल चैन एंडिंग विद द सल्फोनेट्स ग्रुप्स. So they are the soluble in a hard waters. The solubility to be fact as the sulfonates groups do not attach itself to the ions present in hard waters. So difference between soap and detergents. They are the key difference between the soap and detergents in tables are given below. Students, now we difference between soap and detergents. Soap are consist of a COONA group attached to, and detergent are consist of a SO3Na groups attached. ओके स्टूडेंट, सोप में COONA ग्रुप अटैच होता है, जबकि डिटर्जेंट में क्या होता है SO3Na ग्रुप अटैच होता है. ओके, so fatty acid having a long alkyl chain and is a long alkyl change. Soaps are not effective in hard water and saline water, but in detergent do not lose their effectiveness in hard water and saline waters. So soaps are the commonly biodegradables, and detergent containing a branched hydrocarbon chain and are non biodegradates. Soaps they have a tendency to form some in a hard water environmental, but these compounds do not some scums. So soap is a derived from neutral source such as vegetable oils and animal fats, but detergents are synthetic derivatives. Soap are the environmental product since they are biodegradables, but detergents these compounds can form thinking form that the cases that of the acute lives. So for examples are soaps is sodiums, and examples of detergent soaps and sodium clamate and sodium stearate, and examples of detergent are deoxycholic acids and sodium lauryl sulfates. Now we discuss different preparation of soap. The mostly commonly use of soap making process is saponification process of oil and fats. So the process involve heating oils and fats are reacting them with a liquid alkaline to a produce soap plugged water plus glycerins. So the saponifications the odor of soap, making a process in with the neutralization of fatty acids with the alkalis. So oils and fats are hydrolyzed with higher pressure stems to yield glycerin, a crude fatty acids. Now we discuss the saponification process is a triglyceride react with alkyne and convert to soap plus water plus glycerin. So the saponification process, the fatty acid are later pureed to the method of distillation and neutralization with a alkaline to the powder produced with a water and soaps. So the preparation of a soaps of alkaline like sodium hydroxide produce sodium soap which is hard. So potassium soap are the soft and they are used to shaving creams and some liquids hard soaps. So the carboxylic acid and of the soap molecules is the hydrophilic ends. The and they are the glycis and oil attract. So glycerin react with a students glycerin fatty acid react with glycerin react with fatty acid plus alkaline convert to soap plus water. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो ये होता है अपने पास सोप एंड वाटर एंड डिफरेंस बिटवीन सोप एंड सॉरी सोप एंड डिटर्जेंट एंड डिफरेंट बिटवीन सोप एंड डिटर्जेंट. ओके, थैंक यू.